Hey guys, today I will be showing you how you can add hue animations on mouse mode. So we're gonna have a simple picture like this one, and then every time we hover over it with our mouse, we're gonna change the color of it, as you see here. So the only thing we're gonna need to achieve this is gonna be a bit of JavaScript. So if we go back here, I connected my file, which is main.js, and style CSS here, and both of them are empty. So the only thing we're going to have inside our HTML is just going to be that image we're going to be using. We can remove the alt, and we're just going to add a class that's going to be hue image. And for the source, you guys can use anything. I found this picture on Pexels, so I'm going to use that. So let's add that here. And we got our picture here. So the next thing is go to styles. We're only going to have few styles, so we're going to have body. We want to remove the margin, so margin 0, and we also want to make it full height, so 100 VH in height. And then here we can get our class, so hue image, and then for our image we're just going to make it full width, so width 100%. We're going to do height 100% as well, and we're going to add object fit of cover. So that's all the styles we're gonna have here, and then we need to add a bit of JavaScript to make that effect. So if we go here, we're gonna do const image equals document dot query selector, and we gave it a class of hue image here. So we are gonna do dot hue image. So that's our image selector here. Then we're gonna create a function. So let's do const hue animation. That's going to be an arrow function, and it's going to take in an event here. And inside this function, we're going to make a single variable called degrees. So let's just call it deg for degrees, and that's going to be equal to event that we passed in dot client x times 360, and after parentheses we want to divide that by window dot inner width. So now once we get that number, if we go down, we want to target our image dot style, then we want to add dot filter, and we want to set that equal to template literals first. So now inside of here, we can do hue dash rotate, and then for degrees, we're just going to add this variable that's going to represent that. So we can do $ curly braces. We're going to add degrees, which is our variable, and then after that, we're also going to add a string that says degrees. So imagine this as saying, instead of this would, let's say, be 30, and that's going to say 30 degrees. So our degrees replaces the number here. And then the final step is we want this to happen every time we move our mouse over the picture. So we can add an event listener to our document. So let's do document.add event listener, and it's going to be on mouse move. So every time we move our mouse, we're going to call this function we made, which is hue animation. Let's save that. So you can see how the picture looks like at the beginning, and then if we hover anywhere, you can see this changing all the time. So it doesn't matter where we hover, it's going to keep changing. We can make this a bit bigger, just so you guys can see the difference. If I reload this, this is the original picture, and then as soon as we hover, you can see it changing colors to something else. And it's going to do that every single time we are moving our mouse. So that would be it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.